The video you are watching is an ASMR jungle survival video. And these types of videos are blowing up on YouTube right now. The craziest part is this entire video is made using AI. Look at this channel. It has more than 50,000 subscribers with just 6 videos, and most of them are getting millions of views. What's interesting is that their older videos were posted years ago, but these new ASMR survival videos completely changed the channel's growth. So today, I'll show you step by step how you can create these viral AI ASMR jungle survival videos and grow your own channel. First, open the document link provided in the description. From there, copy the topic prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will now give you 10 different ASMR jungle survival video ideas. Choose one idea you like. For this example, I'll select one option and move forward with it. Now go back to the document and copy the script prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and enter the selected title and the video duration. For example, we will choose 1 minute. ChatGPT will now generate a complete ASMR-style script for your video. Next, copy the scene prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Enter the same title you selected earlier. Now ChatGPT will divide your script into scene-by-scene instructions. In this example, we get 8 scenes, each describing what should happen visually. Now copy the image prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. This will generate individual image prompts for each scene. Next, go to Flow AI and choose Create Image. Select Model Nano Banana Pro. Aspect ratio your preferred format. Number of outputs 2 or more. Copy the first image prompt and paste it into Flow AI. Generate the image. Choose the most realistic image, save it, and reuse it as a reference to maintain visual consistency. Repeat this process for all remaining scene image prompts. Now it's time to convert images into video. Copy the video prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate video prompts for each scene. Go back to Flow AI and choose frames to video. Set the aspect ratio. Now, use image 1 as the first frame, image 2 as the second frame. Paste the first video prompt and generate the clip. Your first ASMR jungle survival video scene is ready. Repeat the same steps image 2 to image 3, image 3 to image 4, and so on until all scenes are converted into videos. Now open your editing software. Import all the generated clips. Arrange them in the correct order. Slightly zoom in on each clip to remove any borders or logos. Do not add background music. Let the natural ASMR sounds carry the video. Here is the final video. That's the complete method to create viral AI ASMR jungle survival videos. This format works extremely well on YouTube, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, Facebook. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more viral AI video tutorials. And comment below which video style you want next.